Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I've decided to order another part for my DJI Action 5 camera, and I feel like it's really good to have an extra one of these, and they're the magnetic quick. Can you guys see that? Magnetic quick release adapter mount. So it's good to have extra one of these because you can place it on different selfie sticks, different attachments to different things, rather than uh, taking the screw off and reusing the same one over and over again. So it's nice to have extra ones of these and placing them on different selfie sticks and or whatnot or whatever you want to place it on. But it's just better to have. Okay, so without further ado, let's check out what's inside the box. Okay, let's see. All right, what's this one? Okay, it's one of these things. Honestly, guys, I actually don't know what this is for. So if you guys can comment down below and let me know, because I know this goes in there, but that's as much as I know. I don't know what this is for. I can look it up. It almost looks like it clips onto a bag or something, the way it's shaped, but I am not sure. But you get one of these regardless, whatever that is. And this, what do we have here? Screwy thingy. Okay, so yeah, this one just attaches to your selfie stick. So I got my selfie stick here. I'll show you guys. So I got this one is the one that came. You just unscrew that. So this is I feel like this is kind of standard with a lot of action cameras. So yeah, so that just unscrews there. And then that one screws on like that. And then let's get the magnetic part. Let's get the new one. Let's see. Let's check this out. Oh, wow. Okay. This is really nice. The two clasps that kind of hook it together. Let's see if I can get in frame here. It's made out of metal, whereas the DJI one is plastic. Yeah. Wow, I like that. That is slick. It's nice metal, and it's easier to. I'm assuming that would be easier to detach. Let's check it out. Okay, let's place it on. So that one goes here. So it just kind of gets wedged in between those two there. And then the screw, you just have to line it up, screw it in. So that's kind of what it looks like. And then you grab your trusty Action 5 camera and just hooks in. Let's see how it. Oh, yeah. Let's see. I don't want to break it. But that lines up. Is it easier to put on or harder? Oh, no. It just clicks in. See? The magnet is really strong. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. That's solid. I like that. Nice shiny orange clasp. Pretty slick. I like it. All right. So let's put that aside. I think you get two of them. So there you go. You get two. And if you guys have one of these, I'm not sure if I can get in frame here, but this one, I feel you can use this if you're just walking your dog, or I see a lot of fishermen use this. So when they're fishing, they can just if you have voice command on your Action camera, you can just say start record, which the Action 5 has that feature. Yeah. So this is awesome. I can't wait to actually really utilize this because I had this for my phone, but I feel like it's much better for an action camera. All right, let's see. So this one goes here. See, guys, see what I mean? Having extra. We come. Was there another one? Oops. Sorry, I almost dropped you guys there. I guess we can just use this one because I don't know what this one is for. We'll use this. You just place this on. Getting tangled up here, guys. So yeah, this one just goes through. I said you gotta kind of line it up. There you go. Screw it in. Yeah, solid. You can have your action camera and just detaches like that onto the next one. See what I mean? You don't have to keep unscrewing it and using one where you can have multiple attachments. And the nice thing about the DJI Action 5 just clips on just like that. So convenient to have extra ones. So easy. And it's such a just detaches like that. Oh, I want to use my selfie stick. Oops, sorry. See? Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. This is going to be kind of a short one. I just wanted to show you guys the convenience of having extra magnetic clasp for your DJI Action 5. And these are made by K&F Concepts. I just got it on Amazon. I'll put my affiliate link below. If you guys want to purchase one, you guys can also help me out by clicking my affiliate link. It helps me out, gives me a little cut if you guys purchase it from that, if you guys purchase it that way. So hope you guys have a good one. Hope you guys enjoy this content. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.